make TikTok better. Tic-tac-toe, a winner.
I don't like to get political, but I just find it interesting that we have people who are lawmakers making these types of decisions on technology like TikTok, when, for example, these are the things that were invented when Nancy Pelosi was born or shortly after. Electronic computers, radar, nuclear power, the jet engine, the microwave, kitty litter, crash test dummies. Do you really think those are the best people suited for making decisions on modern day technology in 2025? Food for thought. Oh, and I almost forgot. Color TV!